Nana yonko nti aya na miaso e dia ma me aha ehiampa abusapani
yes sir
ababa wa na ye frɛ no adwoa black Chinese no nyame adom posi for aso no mu na maka chaw say obi bia o ye connected with sade we bia no the long arm of the law will deal with that person and we will continuously ensure you be fight it be miaso asem ye opa Ghana ha asem we wa utim bia market we bia ma journalist bi organ bia nya ka me nya ka da just say my satisfied in my brain say justice has been found. Not just that. I feel satisfied in my brain say I feel there say team kwa we so okobobo a oduru wa ensese ne matwofo na bo ansa na wetima wuram se be sansem hu no yam kwikuru na bi wo meti ase say bia Barcelona ne Deportivo Alaves for game Barcelona ko duru Alaves for no a omso mu mie ebro no mu wuram eno a kire say bia na Real Madrid and Leganes will game. So Real Madrid for Eko drew Leganes for say omumie emomumurem. I want to understand, and I want us to get to where people will not have to use force to enter to come and play football. And we need to get where and sasa nipa ade aggression and sasa nipa ade enieden and sana football game grounds na uram wanya access ade uram until some kwakusa champo 87.9 me who commentators are safe from attacks and that if I send a commentator to go and run commentary that commentator the life anya at risk say refugee decision one referee nyadwene bia decision no nadwene ay wrong oka obi bebo no oka obi ebe chesi na free stadium mo until see be do such situation abuja panyi I will not rest on my horse. I will not rest on my horse. Me koswa kasa me se Ghana mo am die mo de obi amfa time bia ma Ghana journalists be anya tired I know my brothers and sisters in this industry will not. But so be aka so tired me kokwe champo me nya tired da me koswa kasa mo isa me kasa everybody can be tired me I will not be tired.
Nice one.
Me kasa because of Japan asem no ewura makoma mu ankasa me so kire bi bia na masoma kabiru bia na masoma bright bia na masoma kwa mesafo so onko commentary mame na ukodru grounds wa aje say emema bi na betimi di wawura mu say bia Manchester kobo Ipswich Town omudru Ipswich kromo stadium a aje say Manchester for no mema mo ho odene na ansana omo atimi awura mu say omo
ekwa anya say omo di wura omo kokon na di wawura mu.
What's the meaning of that? Therefore you can be rest assured say asem way me mediate I will dedicate myself to this because I know what can befall all of us one day. Pooley is gone, so it cannot be Pooley again.
Yeah,
but it can be a sport journalist. Last season it was Sunyani Coronation Park. It was a game between club and the Bofo Kwatano and in Swatremai. Bofo and in Swatremai and able game. Anna Bofo Kobo draw. Home Swatre me about draw. Omo bu coach maso koredu sa abo na sa sabe obi so no ntohwem emia ne hwe mo ba mi enu sei se o mia no esan se maso koredu amfiri nti on se IGP amabu esan so amfiri do na GF na amfiri meeting esan se maso koredu amfiri nti no ya anya meeting bia se omo efiri meeting bia etiano ayade ba kwa meseme I will not rest on my horse
ahead of the
in pressing on this particular matter.
Yes, Koroko Basano.
we will continue to fight for it, and as far as I have breath in me, the beer damage transibiano. I say until say we could gamer. Gates are open, police are there. No room. Chinese black woman was the one for the pages. For the respect that we have for our mothers, our wives, our sisters, and our daughters, indeed, I will try to be extremely measured in discussing this particular lady. Samoba kaya enano kosiada bra ye bo game ni ye na issue ne ba ye maminya report, confirmed report. Seminia Pooley's afrimu no. I was making checks, calls, call. The few people I spoke to, ebi mo ka chem say ababa we bi o. Ye so ye adwuma papa no radio station. Na ababa wan na nama. E na cheso no na. Yamu wei yenye wei sei eya baba wabi nam so sa wamo ade ababa wa no emfonyini eba ya yehwe ya na eyeme ya enti enano ebra asante kotokofo no eye supporters ne press conference no chairman solo ese ababa wabi nam stadium ho sabe me chairman solo me yire on ben no kra mini ama o member kokora but obigina wani ma o di watam o respondia ni afrema chofa ma say yamra mebo. I was thinking that mutuno na wo moso no nanka wo betena ho ena no pai ana meti se ababa wai wo buban wato pia fajan enti ode no ho akanwura. And I'm saying, yeah, surveillance, Kurano. I was so young surveillance, I was so net, and yet the Ghana Police Service. Young surveillance. 80 now on the num of far from Swatre, so caught Nichia and sa. No, I call far Doma, nice we rub that town. Yeah, so call for Doma him crew, no PM. Almost say papa. Sir, and your man now we now with our stadium more. As ye now, as all of a sudden you became a god. And on our chair, Sir Baba way, Makacha say, Sir Baba way, Makacha way, say, and yet the fact that we have a lot of respect for our mothers, for our wives, for our daughters and our sisters. And I will not denigrate her, Debbie, but. Sure, where far was what he bought poetry? Wo, we senya stadium on an ear war. And yeah, stadium, let's say, or boss stadium. And yes, I boss who say, brand no be meaning and Kofoka, so on a trim, probably that I can also stop say so. I will not be making those allegations. Now, senya say, a year in Switzerland one and ear war. And Ababa always say, and Kono or the gas there, or before boss what the Kobo between. Whoa. I want the but because please don't use those words. Please let us not use those words. We are grieving, we are angry, but we will be very measured in our critique of the situation. Enti positive abojuma na abusapani dia sere se omo dwane ni nyina ba bia omo etebia surveillance hwe ahade metima kan ho me aboda mpare abaso for kakra ya maka jose me bona baso a aje say you do where I am safe at the stadium where Doctor will do it. Kotoko will get to stadium or they will not need obi say we match for the baby you don't need to fight to it so onya no a da bi sabaso bodom but kakra am so panyu so me catch now say men from the criminal investigations department of the Ghana Police Service already dispatched omo eye adwuma enti empanyifo asoma men ya abusapani omo de omo ye investigators and already they are on the ground. Nti ya fe no mbeko. Ti wa you fe na wo dwan ba bia wo na no. Ye di wa chinga kra na ya mo de wako. And Abusapanyi, trust me. So far number of suspects picked Akoji is 6.
6. Yes.
Ebe more, but no more dwane no. Ye kura me say ye kura ye surveillance re kire ba bia mo. How much more the Ghana police service? Na mo mrant mo dwane mrant wasem na mo ye stadium no. Na me ka se mo de sa be ba say ye nie.
Obi antimi nye.
Ye nie. I'm just pensing example.
Yes sir.
So 6 picked up so far more. Okay, I said no time I transit no. Na 3 and yako quarter and I'm catching some more will be picked up.
And the police.
In fact, no man pick yes, no man pick your mother. Na ye intel no dia man dada. But the police for mu ye your money ya and on by announce. Then Akosua Black China.
Yes, and no statement.
And so was picked up by the police. Now I say the Ghana Police Service has arrested we 2 more suspects.
1 more suspect.
We are not there.
Akosua Ntriwa Elias Akosua Black Chinese in connection with the violent disturbances that occurred during the football match between Insuatema FC and Kumasi Asante Kotoko FC on 2nd February 2025. This brings to 6 the total number of suspects arrested so far in connection with the incident. Lisbeth Akosua Ntriwa is currently in police custody, assisting with the investigations. The intelligence-led operation and investigation remain ongoing to ensure all perpetrators connected to the incident are arrested and brought to justice. We a statement at Ghana Police Service at the Babranch.
Fantastic. Inti unse me catch say more people will be picked.
Yeah.
But Maka, and I'm saying it again. Sa case we yi edi free sunyane. Ni edi case we ekopiem ewo Accra.
Yeah.
Maybe we catch papa bi say sika de mini bi de nyansa pa nyame de ma me de nyansa ketwa o. Anything when people try to attack my integrity, that's the only time I get angry. When you tell me I'm not nice, I'm family. Who can tell me this guy I'm family? Who can tell me say my born I'm family? Tell me come certificate banado dia. But when you want to attack nyansa pa ni nimdia, nyankrum potwe dia mpodi adom na busapanyi eh bebrebe. On say na me ka say man kasi amfa case ni mra Kumasi, and it was for good purpose. Wo de eba Kumasi for there. Say wo de eba Kumasi a busapanyi obe expose enkofo na wo mo enso asema ye die no.
Sure.
We are in a democratic dispensation.
Yeah.
I have told you time with that number that I will choose democracy over any form of military government. Over any form of military governance. Me, for example, I am not for it. I am for democracy. Where at the end of I don't want the culture of silence. Where Okasa, ni abefa ko baras ni akotwa wuti obi ehun obi dabi sa zemunu memeni nyo. And there is no form of military governance or a dictatorship. Me I don't support it. And so transnational ya Ghana for them Panama to abani you. Ni akofo before fraba. Jomama 2016 Ghana for man a crashing defeat or man overwhelming victory. And ya Ghana for now. And you better me say na me pe. In terms of penny, young for case Kumasi because so the case Kumasi. People like Akosua Black, Adwa Black, yeah, the Dini Baby, Mammy Montriwan, who expose you to a dear Humpa because a buffo ni pumpa. But in the same vein, what the case is was Sunaya, why? Because you swap to Sunayano, a 15 minutes drive. I will be so territory. And I'm telling you, sir, on the 17th, Assembly, Makasa, on the 17th, the next court sitting. People are massed there. It is only fair and proper that, again, I'm telling you, sir, familiarity breeds contempt.
Yes.
Familiarity, it breeds contempt. So how better I'm jumping for when come idea grow be brought everyone. The bro for familiarity breeds contempt. ɛsiane sɛ posifoɔ no ɔmo wɔ sunwa ne nsu atrɛ no ɔmo ne wɔn abo ne nkorɔfoɔ na ɔmo nim ɔmo ebi kura bi mu ne bi na tena se twa bi e nyinaa ne yɛkɔ tena se ne yɛkɔ twa bi
wu a na ɔmo ayi ɔmo ani
enti saa posi ni na asɛm no ba say a being the true police officer as humans as we are, don't blame them. Judge for abusuapanyi judge panyini pa timi ka sɛ ɛsan sɛ nipa ne yɛde ma bɛgyina m'anim no mene ne papa ne yɛbɛn pa yɛkɔ school madam foro no nti no asɛn ma yi mi wɔ fi sɛ kamera na ɔde yɛ adwuma ɛno nso ɔbɛyɛ mmara no wa take a decision, but I recuse myself because I am very close to the family of the accused, or I am very close to the family of the complainant. Enti ma yi mi wɔ fi asɛm no mu eti posifoɔ no kora no a case no wode kɔma ɔmo wɔ asunya hɔ no from nsu ɔmo wode adeɛ ɛhyɛ ɔmo kɔn ɛna abusuapɛni there is a danger associated with it.
Yes.
Ayi police ni no saa police no ɛda bia ɔtea no ɔno na so ɔma ɛyi bail no ɔno na so ɔma ne bail wobɛhu ano obi de adeɛ kɔbɔ ne tiri. Take the case far away from them to Accra.
Let
the case be in Accra, where what the national CID headquarters handle BBR,
because a serious issue.
It is a serious matter that will bring changes to our game. Market definitely. The name of Nana Pooley, Francis Nana Yafrempong, it will stay forever. Opa beteme.
Yeah.
So GF for no more serious intino. So we serious are. There must be reforms. Yeah, the Pooley di beto so dim say bossman ruling a player back up no bossman no nyade ball no nyade but on until the bossman ruling by yeah cause about plus 1,000 the bossman be di but there's a bossman ruling Penny, there should be reforms. I didn't know Pooley di beto so say and the Pooley I am a yes branch no but I'm saying that in the midst of all the unfortunate in some you know, and we are going to celebrate that guy one day. I said we'll be a marking to baby. We will celebrate Nana Pooley one day in this country. Laws will be promulgated, changes will be made, and it will reflect one lunatic. A branch of the Nigerian Juma. Non the Nigerian say, see a bubble will be support one will be support her. Na so be assuming without admitting any opinion Ukraine sama what the Nigerians say the next thing is to take the life of that person. They will suffer. But Mr. Nana Pooley Dino, unfortunately, his demise. Yeah, not the Biamkas, you send penny when Yama brought Yas Yamepe. I change any penny. But Dachin Kodaya Musi, Pooley Mayo Mutini, they will come to learn that their father
caused
and the changes by. Remember that was a me see na video dey me pepper sa video da be
video we on.
This is Kotoko entering without a single security officer.
Say where were they?
I don't know.
And now one attended game not that day.
I'm attending.
No one report to ya na.
It has been like that. Anya nankwa o. Enti me say me hu obi ho prenesi akobobo a nipa kono ba mi akoma pa na so ma pose abecheme. So me hu obi ho prenesi say entembo ball bay. It is the norm. This is the norm.
Entrance?
This is the norm. Kotoko duru and unim. The piano kotoko has somebody on. But this is Kotoko the capacity to get people to follow them in Jino. Omudru and Omudi and Yadi Bewuram. Hands of folk ya but hands of folk ebesne abebo game. Ewo Yahanum Bebia ya. Abasinum chapter 9 for no. What it takes to organize their guys, so that has to do a intimidate has bas no.
When your supporters bas the playing body
of Asante Kotoko.
And see, so more moon
Nana Pooley free away free winti. We will get to where 100 meters to baby team never draw uremono. Home team no supporter ba kuko nyina away team supporter. Who wants a security be drama yedi bas mark this, and this is where we want to get to.
Sure.
That's the destination we are driving towards. Yemubi, yenuru wa asema misi yenya akada. Let IGP go for from Rawa Obanwa nya yenya udin boda.
Yes.
Esa udru na Abuzapani check the scenario if has record could decide somebody there go for me na. One, you don't have the numbers. Yes. Fanasa
Mobetimi asa.
Karela eba kumase no. Na ombedru gate, na baba gate, na kotokozi yemi. On better because we need numbers. So go do only has a game. Young fan say nations and has a game on cry. na nations go through gate na house for say ye mie how will you enter but house ne ba nations that say umia abas no aye on the ground they will force their way through it to connect house because omo the capacity in ya omo timi ye no we shouldn't get there again ye free home we must be at a junction where kotokodru gate or the city yes anu awuram se brekum chance bedru kumase a ese brekum chance de city yes awuram ekobo no ball and say the machoism and say what awuram a representative of ball na ba so be there team no travel so ba ball nko ba so be there busabe. This is where we are driving towards and I'm telling you sa lady na onum ache no there are many more announcements the Ghana Police Service ebeye omo eyisu intelligence ebi mo ha on be dim commander directly in fact there are some abzapen your question omo what question na we say asem no matter no cheda nka ho it those people police and for them ma out but a lot more people will be arrested and the people are omadwene omo say we no be nyadwene say okofa sekan na de wono na de akura de say de wono pia so kosoro na etima kana kuma kunu no sankofo nya abzapen they will suffer the consequences of the decisions and actions wɔn etiki yɛ their actions and inactions and the community yɛ ama yɛ nua pole atwere ne nkwa no na on this we will not rest. I will not rest. Let everybody rest. Me say me I will not rest until we get justice and until stadium become a safe place. I bet me akɔ no obijapanyi yɛ nya saa asɛm wo ikada oba saa meeting na na mate seketo kriku aba na obɛkyɛ na ɔmma akumase no menen won sem when you come back I have issues to speak to the president of the Ghana Football Association.
Pepe Suarez, I Akoma 87.9 FM. Yes. Na